Okay, wait. The first video was about installing Playwright, but the thing was there was a option to install Playwright extension. So let's install it first, because without installing it I'm feeling empty. So let's go to extension. So there is extension file and I have written Playwright test for VS Code, right? What should I do? Clicking on there and installing it. So it will be installed in some moments, just waiting for it. If it's installed, there will be some feature. So we don't need to use command. We can click on somewhere and it will give us the way to use the Playwright in the best way, right? So I think this is installed, and if I click on there, as the extension is installed, I can click on there, it will be run. See it. This is so beautiful, right? Yeah. And if I click on there, it will be run. Yes. Thank you so much. So we have just learned how to use extension.